Hi all! Today we are here to guide you on how to unbox, assemble and install the Kühl GALAXIS BLDC fan, a marvel of modern design and efficiency. With a BEE star rating of 5, the highest for energy efficiency and a sweeping diameter of 1400 mm, this fan combines elegance with performance. Let's show you how to unbox, assemble and install it. Use a sharp object like a knife, cutter or scissors to open the box. Here are the contents of the box. Light unit, blade housing, down rod, fan remote with AAA pencil cells, supply wires, motor assembly, diffuser, 2 canopies, warranty card, shackle, 6 blades. Now let's move on to the assembly process. Please make sure to keep screwdriver and pliers within reach. Place the motor unit on the provided thermocol packing. Remove all 5 motor screws. Assemble the blade housing with previously removed screws. Turn the fan around. Remove blade screws from blade housing. Install the blades by aligning the blade holes with cover holes and reinsert the blade screws. Install all blades in a similar way. Remove the LED plate from the light housing. Open 3 screws on fixing plate. Place the light housing on the fixing plate. Fix light housing on fixing plate with the 3 screws opened before. Put the LED back into light housing. Use the 3 nuts opened earlier to reassemble LED on the light housing. Insert the wire connector coming out of the fan's shaft into the corresponding connector socket on the LED plate. Insert diffuser in light housing and turn clockwise to tighten. Hold the down rod and insert the lower canopy into it from the direction opposite to the slit end of the down rod. Now, insert the top canopy also from the same end. Insert supply wire provided through the lower one of the top side holes in down rod. Take the supply wire out from the slit end of down rod. Unfasten the safety screw on the shaft. Place down rod over motor shaft with the slit end downwards. Take the down rod bolt from the shackle kit. Insert the down rod bolt with collared clamp through down rod and shaft holes. Assemble other bolt parts. Reinsert the safety screw. Connect the supply wires from down rod into 2-way wire connector. Take the shackle and remove its lower bolt. Insert shackle into sealing hook. Raise fan to shackle. Reinsert lower bolt. Tighten with washer, nut, lock nut and cotter pin in sequence. Connect the wires from main supply into fan connector. Raise the canopies up and lock in place by tightening the lower canopy screw. Caution: don't move the canopy while the screw is tightened. With screws tightened, there can be scratches incurred on down rod by the movement of the canopy. Always loosen the screw before moving the canopy up or down and retighten the screw after the desired placement. Your GALAXIS fan is fully assembled and installed. Fan regulator is not required for this BLDC fan because it is operated by remote. You should ask your electrician to bypass the regulator in switchboard wiring. Otherwise, the fan may not operate properly. If the fan wiring is already through a regulator in the switchboard, then make sure that the regulator is always set at max speed, and any change in speed should be done by the remote. Switch on the fan from the switchboard to operate it with the remote as explained hereafter. Pair the remote with the fan, if not paired already. Press the power button on the remote to start the BLDC fan. In case the fan starts running, your remote is already paired. However, if the fan does not run, the remote requires pairing with the fan. Do the following. Switch off the fan from the switch on the wall and switch it on again. Within 45 seconds of switching on, press the power button on the remote and keep it pressed for 10 seconds. You will hear a double beep. The fan is now paired and can be operated with the remote. The remote has 2 arrow buttons at the bottom by which the remote can be set to fan numbers 1 to 9. You can pair and operate up to 9 fans with a single remote by selecting the fan number. Press the power button on the remote to start the BLDC fan. A beep sound will indicate that it is switched on. Press the power button again to switch off or on the BLDC fan. The BLDC fan always restarts at the last switch-off speed. In case of a power failure, the fan will automatically restart at the previous speed. If you want to switch off the fan during a power failure, you must switch it off from the main board switch on the wall, as the remote is not operational without power. It is recommended to switch off the fan from the wall-mounted switch when going out of home. Kühl Galaxy fan comes with 6 different speed settings. To vary speed, press the speed button from 1 to 5 on the remote. A beep will confirm the action. If you want to run this fan at maximum speed, press the boost button on the remote. A beep will confirm the action. To turn on the down light, press the down light button on the fan remote. As soon as you press it, the down light of the fan will turn on. The timer button, which is an off timer only, allows you to switch off the fan after a specific duration. Sleep mode will reduce the fan speed by 1 speed unit every 2 hours. After the fan comes to speed 1, it will keep operating at speed 1. This is particularly helpful in changing seasons when evenings are warmer and it gets cooler towards daybreak. Reverse mode makes the fan operate in reverse direction at speed 1 only. This is useful in winters to circulate cold air upwards and warmer air downwards along the walls. Thank you for choosing Kühl stylish fans. We hope you enjoy the comfort and style they bring to your space.